Hey guys, today I'm going to be packing up one of our biggest orders. This order is from Suzanne, so thank you so much. They ordered red velvet cookie dough, love batter, cotton candy cone, cotton candy lemonade, love potion cake, dreamland skies, strawberry milk, butterfly blossom, panda tea float, bear bubblegum milk, fairy frosting, cookies and cream, lucky charms, midnight berries, pixie potion float, gummy pop gloss, and blue raspberry lemonade. First up, we made up the box and put the slimes in, along with some packing peanuts to make sure they don't get hurt in the post, along with 2 extra slimes as a thank you. We then added the extra bags with the activator, added a thank you card and sealed it up. Thank you so much, Suzanne.
Esta es la nueva, papi.
Kaya, Arjun, Suki, Monk, Timmy, Tata, Cookie, Better 21.
Hi everybody, I hope everyone is having a great day, and today I decided to record a packaging video. I wanted to give a big thank you to everyone who has ordered. I just had a big gloss sale. So thank you guys so much for ordering from me, and all the love you guys have been giving me, I appreciate it all. Now with that being said, I did receive tons of new orders and I love you guys for that. But I am one person trying to fulfill it all, so please be patient with me. And just this past week, I haven't really been feeling my best. I have been a little down. But the love you guys have been showing me has really motivated me to start up again this week. I'm going to try my best to come back stronger this week so I can fulfill all the orders and have them shipped out by the end of this week. But with that being said, I also have homework and a personal life, so again, please be patient. I'm getting to fulfilling orders and also replying to emails today. I hope you guys have a great day.
Here's the biggest resin tip that nobody told me. If you ever don't mix your resin right and it turns out sticky or gooey like it does here, don't throw any of your molds away and don't bother trying to pick it out with a toothpick or paper towels or anything. Instead, take your mold and put it in a freezer. If you have a really strong freezer, you can probably just leave it overnight, but if it's weak, I'd suggest leaving it there for a couple days. When you take it out, it's going to be much harder, and just pop it out like normal.
Oh my gosh. Today, I made my first ever sale to Ireland. How bloody cool is that? She picked a unique set and I'm throwing in a free sheer sarong as a gift. Hopefully she spreads a good word about my business in Ireland. Time to write up a thank you note, pop the items in the bag, seal it up, stick a customs declaration form on the front of the bag, and it's off to the post office we go.
Would you believe me if I said my best-selling soap is one with no fragrance at all? Here I'm making my 2 best-selling soaps, Act Natural and Nitty Gritty. There's absolutely no colorants and no fragrance in either of these soaps, and yet I can hardly keep them in stock every time I make them. I decided to give you a quick look on how I make both of these soaps and to show you the difference between the two. Here is the Act Natural soap, no colorants, no fragrance. And now I'm making the Nitty Gritty soap, which includes poppy seeds and pumice powder. I do add quite a lot just so that the exfoliation properties are there, but you don't waste a whole bar of soap trying to exfoliate your skin. The more exfoliation that the bar provides, the longer it's going to last you because you're not wearing down that bar trying to exfoliate.
So my mom Lana cuts every single strip of fabric that I've sewn into a scrunchie. She stays up till midnight every night just to make sure I have enough strips to sew in the morning or the next day. And honestly, I couldn't do this without her. She does such an amazing job. She's so precise, and yeah, it's so much work. Thanks, Mom. I love you.
Hi, this is to show the durability of my stickers. You can place and replace them several times without worrying about the sticker leaving a residue or getting ripped in the process. They're also waterproof, so you can wash with hot water and soap and scrub them, and the colors will not bleed and the stickers will not come off. They're also scratch resistant, so you can scratch them up with a key and they shouldn't move.
Hey guys, let's pack an order. So this is going to go out to Canada, and she picked out both of our Brisa tops in lavender and white, our rose top, which is currently sold out, as well as these two backless bodysuits. She also picked out one of our bags, this Jessie handbag in baby blue. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to apply our custom tags. My tags, again, are from Etsy. I believe I get around $500 for about $150. They're a little bit pricier only because they're pink foil, which costs a little bit more, but they're definitely worth it. After I tag these up, I'm going to fold them up and I'm going to place them inside our poly bags. I'm then going to take out the bag out of its packaging, only to do a quality control check just to make sure that the zipper works and that there isn't any defects on it. We're going to package this up and then I'm going to weigh it and print out the shipping label. I didn't record this part, but I also did have to print out a customs form because this is an international order. I printed that out as well, and then I applied it to the back of the package. Should we ready to go?
Calling all small business owners, show me everything that you have in stock right now. Everything that you have ready to go, ready for people to purchase and be shipped out. There's no better person to promote your business than yourself. So let's do this. Take this video and show us what you got.
Mabuhay! Today I'm going to be making Bella an alpaca necklace because I always see how much she loves alpacas. Here I am hand making a name necklace for her that says Bella, and this is going to be layered with the alpaca necklace. It's really hard to get the alpaca to stick on the chain, but I finally got it, and here is the result. And I actually got her a matching alpaca keychain to go with it. And I wrote a letter to Bella saying thank you so much for representing us Filipinos. Love you, and I hope you see this.
So this couple comes in together to buy an engagement ring, and they had a budget of about $20,000, which is a lot for an engagement ring. But the ring that she happened to pick out was about $35,000, which is a lot of money. And she was really adamant about picking it, and he was kind of reserved, like, you know, it is a lot of money. But she's like, no, if you love me, you'll buy it, yada, yada, yada. And he's like, you know what? You're gonna be my wife, the mother of my kids, whatever makes you happy. So after they finally decide, I pack it up for them. I'm like, here you go. Have a great marriage. Have a great life. Goodbye. About 3 weeks later, the fiance comes in, and I'm thinking she just wants to get the ring size or something. And she's like, can you guys take out the diamond and replace it with a cubic zirconium? Cubic zirconium is a very cheap substitute for a diamond. So I was like, yeah, we can do that, but just give us 2 or 3 days. So she leaves, and I call her fiance because I was like, oh, this is really suspicious. And he had no idea that she came into the shop or that she was coming in. So he calls me 2 days later, and he finds out that she was going to break up with him. She would have kept that diamond, and she would have given him the fake one. He would have returned it, and
I have my own business check. This is my most popular product. This is my favorite product. This is one of my most expensive products. This is my most affordable product. Yes, I know they're just fleas. This is also one of my favorite products. These are my newest products. Also a new product.
Being a small business owner isn't always so glamorous. I get asked all the time, what advice would I give to people who are starting their own small business? And I always say that you have to be okay with doing it all in the beginning yourself. Being a small self-funded business means that you are designing the products, making the products, doing the photography, running the social media, handling customer service, packaging, shipping, doing inventory control, doing the web design and updating the website, finding all your resources, vendors, and manufacturers. The work for one person can definitely be overwhelming, and you're looking like a mess most of the time. But all this hustle and work is worth it when you love what you do and you believe in the mission of your business. So make those dreams happen and take those boss leaps of faith.
Listen up, punks. If I'm on your For You page, it's a mistake. I don't know how I got there, to be honest. I think I've gotten a total of 7 likes on my videos. So if for some reason I made it, and you're seeing this? Just drop a heart, man. I worked hard.